is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to
Hey
remind you
y'all,
guys to
so we're
subscribe
live.
to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, so I was just gonna make a St. Patrick's Day themed regular little high wreath, and then I remembered I have this giant leprechaun that I've been having for a long time, and maybe, just maybe, he wants to make an appearance. So, you know what? Let's just make this happen. So what I'm doing is I'm inspecting this guy to see where we can put things to attach to him that we can kind of hide. All right. Now, listen, if this is traumatizing, I'm just going to apologize. But the easiest one that I see right away is right under his beard. So I'm going to put a pipe cleaner right under his beard and get it tied off. Now I'm just going to go around his leg and then fluff his pants out over that. I was able to get it far enough down in the boot and then fluff his pants up over it that you can't see it. So next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use the weight of him and his shoes into the grapevine. So I'm going to make sure that he's like standing on the edge right there. Y'all, now I'm just trying to get that pipe cleaner through the grapevine. Now we can get this tied off. And we can tie off his shoe at the bottom. All right, he is attached. Let's make our bow. All right, so we're gonna need a little bit of a long tail. We're gonna measure out about 7 to 8 inches. No, I'm just gonna put a strip of this in there. Not even a whole loop. All right, we're gonna give that a good pinch. All right, now look, his little boots have chips in them. So I'm gonna use the bow to hide all of that business. He's like a little, you know, look, he's even got the little hand going. He's got a giant bow. He's a happy leprechaun. All right, so we're just tying this off here. Let's trim his tails down. All right, look what we're working with so far. Y'all, now we want to start building him out and filling him in. So for me, I'm picturing stuff here all the way around and ending just in this area. I'm going to start with some fun greenery. Y'all, on this one, I'm going to leave the stem a little bit long till I figure out where I want it to go. I know I want it longer than my longest ribbon tail. Now I need to get that same green right up here. All right. Now on this one, I'm going to try to curve it where some of the greens pop up behind his hand. Now I need to get some of that greenery out here on this side. All right, so now this one, I want to get some greenery going all the way out over here. All right, y'all, now I'm going to grab my next green. So texture is important for sure. So using the multiple different color greeneries or different styles of greenery helps with that. Y'all, you could totally stop here with this project if you wanted to. It is really pretty. I want to break it up a little bit. To do that, I want to add in a little bit of color. Let's get this. All right, y'all, then we had these left over from Christmas. All right, on these spikes, I'm going to go with, I just want them like on the outside. get it hung up.